There's one taste that instantly means Swedish summer, and it's not fancy, it's not complicated, it's just strawberries and cream. But in Sweden, somehow, it tastes like childhood, sunshine, and memories all at once. Okej, då kör vi. So Swedish summer is really made for berries. And every summer they bring back lots of memories, like picking strawberries with my family, having strawberries for fika at my grandparents' summer house by the sea, or lying in a hammock at the neighbor's garden, eating them straight from a bowl. So it's really funny how something so simple can hold so much memory. And the best part is that it takes about a minute to make. You go with fresh strawberries, washed, heavy cream, whipped until it's soft and airy, and that's it. If you like sugar on top, go ahead. I usually have them without, so you really can taste the strawberries. But when I do add sugar, I actually like it on top of the cream instead of directly on the berries. But just do it your way and it will turn out great. And when you're preparing the strawberries, a neat little trick I learned from my mother is to always use a teaspoon instead of a knife. Just slide the tip underneath the green top. It's surprisingly quick and it wastes almost none of the strawberries. So after all these years, I still can't imagine doing it any other way. And then you sit down, preferably outside if you're lucky with the weather, or by an open window with warm summer air coming in. And suddenly it's not just dessert anymore. It's Swedish summer in a bowl. Simple, quiet, perfect. If you've never tried strawberries and cream like this before, you really should. And if you did grow up with it, you already know exactly what I mean. So I hope this little piece of Swedish summer found its way to you today. And regardless where you're from, I'd love to hear what's the smell or taste that instantly tells you that summer has arrived. I'm curious to know. With that said, thank you for being here and until next time. Ha det så bra. Åh, gott.